In this video, I'm going to show you how to add clothing to your Roblox dummy in Roblox Studio. First, start by creating a new experience. Once that's open, go to top menu, click avatar, then choose rig builder. Pick the type of dummy you want to use. The most popular one is R15 and I'll go with the block avatar. After placing your dummy in the scene, you can begin customizing it. Click on the dummy in the Explorer panel, make sure this panel is open. Expand the rig by clicking the arrow next to it, then select body colors. From there, you can change the color of various parts like legs, torso, and head. To add clothing, go to the top menu and select plugins. Click Manage Plugins, then hit the plus button in the drop-down. Make sure Plugins is selected, then search for Accessory. Find the one called Accessory Inserter and click Install. Once installed, close the window. Now you're ready to add clothes. Click Insert Accessory and it will ask for an accessory ID. To get that, open your browser and go to the official Roblox website. Log in and head to the marketplace. Find the clothing item you want like Hello Kitty pants and copy paste the asset ID from the URL. It's the string of numbers in the address bar. Back in Roblox Studio, click your dummy, paste the ID to the accessory inserter, and press apply. The clothing will automatically appear on your avatar. And that's it. That's how to add clothes to a dummy in Roblox Studio.